Hi. I'm Eric, an automotive technician with 15 years of experience. This video is going to explain the meaning of this error code, and show you how to diagnose and fix it. OBD-II Code P006C means that there is a correlation error between the map sensor and the turbocharger inlet pressure sensor, indicating a potential calibration issue with one or both sensors. When you encounter this OBD error, the vehicle typically exhibits the following symptoms: 1. Decreased engine performance. 2. Decreased engine power. Now we talk about possible causes, and how to diagnose and fix. Vacuum leak. To diagnose a vacuum leak, use a smoke machine to detect any leaks in the vacuum system. Inspect all vacuum hoses and connections for signs of damage or wear. Check for any hissing or whistling noises coming from the engine compartment. To fix a vacuum leak, replace any damaged or worn vacuum hoses or connections. Ensure all connections are secure and properly sealed. Wiring issue. Use a multimeter to test the continuity and resistance of the wiring harness connected to the map sensor and turbocharger inlet pressure sensor. Check for any frayed or damaged wires, loose connections, or corrosion. Repair or replace any damaged or corroded wiring. Ensure all connections are secure and properly insulated. Manifold absolute pressure, MAP, sensor failure. Use a scan tool to monitor the MAP sensor's output while the engine is running. Compare the sensor's readings to the manufacturer's specifications. Check for any physical damage or contamination on the sensor. Replace the MAP sensor if it is out of spec or shows signs of damage or contamination. Ensure the new sensor is properly calibrated and installed. Turbo inlet pressure sensor failure. Use a scan tool to monitor the turbocharger inlet pressure sensor's output while the engine is running. Compare the sensor's readings to the manufacturer's specifications. Check for any physical damage or contamination on the sensor. Replace the turbocharger inlet pressure sensor if it is out of spec or shows signs of damage or contamination. Ensure the new sensor is properly calibrated and installed. Powertrain Control Module, PCM, failure. Use a scan tool to check for any other related trouble codes. Inspect the PCM for signs of physical damage, corrosion, or water intrusion. Check for proper power and ground connections to the PCM. If other trouble codes are present, diagnose and repair those issues first. If no other issues are found, consider replacing the PCM after ensuring all connections and inputs are correct. If there are uncertainties, feel free to engage in discussions by leaving a comment. Alternatively, when facing difficulties, it is advisable to seek assistance from a professional auto repair shop and technicians. It is not recommended to handle it independently, especially when uncertain. Thanks for watching.